Today, we'll show you how to install the Nature's Generator 240 volt manual transfer switch. Step 1. Install the power inlet. Option 1. Install on the compartment cover. Option 2. Install on the right side. Option 3. Install on the left side. Option 4. Install the inlet box. Choose your preferred option and remove the corresponding knockout. Next, remove the screws on the compartment cover and carefully lift the cover. Insert the power inlet through the selected knockout opening. Slide the heat shrink tubing over the wires. Now connect the wires to the inlet terminals. The back wire or hot wire connects to the X terminal. The red wire, also hot wire, connects to the Y terminal. The white wire or neutral wire connects to the W terminal. The green wire or ground wire connects to the G terminal. Secure each wire firmly to its correct terminal. Make sure all connections are tight and secure. Place the heat shrink tubing over the power inlet and heat it to seal. Insert the power inlet fully into the knockout and secure it into the included screws. Rotate the conduit clamp to the desired position. Then reinstall the compartment cover using the screws. You have 3 mounting options. Option 1. Surface mounting. Option 2. Recessed mounting using the flush mount kit. Option 3. Mounting between wall studs. Select a mounting location less than 18 inches from the load center. Use the keyhole slot to hang the transfer switch. Before securing it, verify that the transfer switch is level. Drive the screws through the mounting holes to secure it in its place. Step 3. Wiring the transfer switch. Before wiring, make sure all power is turned off. The load center must be properly bonded and grounded. Insert all the wires through the flexible conduit. Attach the conduit connector to the load center. Secure the conduit connectors. Now we'll begin wiring. Connect the red wires to the red circuit breakers. Connect the black wires to the electrical devices. Find wires labeled 1L and 2L. Locate the 2-pole breakers labeled heater. Loosen the first terminal screws on the 2-pole heater breaker and remove the first wire. Connect the red wire labeled 1L to the heater breaker and tighten the terminal screw. Next, connect the black wire labeled 1L to the wire you just removed using a wire nut. Loosen the second terminal screw on the 2-pole heater breaker and remove the second wire. Connect the red wire labeled 2L to the heater breaker and tighten the terminal screw. Next, connect the black wire labeled 2L to the wire you just removed using a wire nut. Now, we'll explain how to make 120V connections. Find the wires labeled 3L, one red and one black. Locate the breaker labeled L light. Connect the red wire labeled 3L to the L light breaker and tighten the terminal screw. Next, connect the black wire labeled 3L to the wire you just removed using a wire nut. Now, locate the wires labeled 4L. Find the breaker labeled R light. Loosen the terminal screw and remove the existing wire. Connect the red wire labeled 4L to the R light breaker and tighten the terminal screw. Connect the black wire labeled 4L to the removed wire using a wire nut. Insert the white neutral wire into an unused terminal on the neutral bar and tighten the screw. Insert the green ground wire into an unused terminal on the ground bar and tighten the screw. Cap any unused red, black, and white wires with wire nuts. Label the circuits properly and apply the warning labels. Now let's see how the transfer switch operates. There are 2 options: backup mode and hybrid mode. Backup mode provides power during outages. At the beginning, all the circuits are powered by grid power. Let's simulate the grid power outage. Turn on the backup power. Turn breaker 1L and 2L on, then move the rocker switch from L to G. Now the heater is powered by backup power. Turn breaker 3L on, then move the rocker switch from L to G. Now the L light is powered by backup power. Turn breaker 4L on, then move the rocker switch from L to G. Now the R light is powered by backup power. When the grid power is restored, move the 1L and 2L rocker switch from G back to L, then turn breaker 1L and 2L off. Move the 3L rocker switch from G back to L, then turn breaker 3L off. Move the 4L rocker switch from G back to L, then turn breaker 4L off. Your circuits are now back on grid power. The second option is in hybrid mode. This mode can reduce the electricity costs with the help of backup power. Connect the solar panels in your backup power system. Turn off the R light circuit from the grid power. Turn breaker 4L on, then move the rocker switch from L to G. Now the R light is powered by the backup power recharged from the solar panel. This helps to reduce the electricity cost. That completes the installation of the Nature's generated 240 volt manual transfer switch. Always follow local electrical codes. If you are unsure about any step, consult a licensed electrician.